Is your Drupal website collecting and processing personal information? If so, then you'll need to comply with the General Data Protection Regulation. Otherwise, you could face some pretty hefty fines. But don't worry, we're here to help you make sure that you tick all of the boxes. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Here at lvlab.it, we specialize in Drupal web development. And today, we're going to look at how Drupal handles the GDPR and how you can make sure your website remains compliant with the regulation. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all of our latest content. The GDPR was passed in the European Union in 2018, and it states that you need to obtain explicit consent from users before collecting and processing their personal data. Your website must also let people access and delete their personal data if they want to. If you don't comply with the GDPR, you could also end up with some pretty heavy fines. So it's really important that you make sure that you're doing everything right. And that is where Drupal comes in. Drupal provides several modules that can be used to help make sure that your website is GDPR compliant. The first is the GDPR Module, which provides a framework for GDPR compliance and includes features such as user data requests, user data anonymization, and cookie consent. Next is the Cookiebot Module. This integrates with the popular Cookiebot service, which provides cookie consent management. With Cookiebot, users can easily configure their cookie consent banners, which are required by GDPR regulations. Another important module is the Webform Module. This lets you create GDPR-compliant forms that allows users to request access to their personal data or ask for it to be deleted. Finally, the Shield Module provides some extra security features for your website. It can help protect against brute force attacks and ensure that your website is compliant with GDPR regulations. So, now that you know about some of the key Drupal modules for GDPR compliance, let's talk about how to configure them. The GDPR module provides a configuration page where you can enable or disable specific features, such as user data requests or cookie consent. You can also customize the user data request form and specify which fields should be included. With the Cookiebot module, you'll need to create an account with Cookiebot and get hold of a site ID. Once you have this ID, you can configure the module to integrate with your website and display the cookie consent banner. Finally, the Webform module provides a drag-and-drop interface for creating forms. You can customize the fields included in the form and specify which email address the form submissions should be sent to. With the Shield module, you can configure security settings, such as IP blocking and login throttling. Well, that's all for today's video. We hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or need help configuring your website for GDPR compliance, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer Drupal consulting services and can help ensure that your website is secure and compliant with GDPR regulations. You can also visit our website at lvlab.it for more information. And finally, while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to the lvlab.it channel for more content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.